Hello, and welcome to the June installment of Construction Junction, presented to you by MSU Infrastructure Planning and Facilities. If you have any comments or questions concerning this presentation, or have suggestions on how we might improve, please let us know via the feedback box on the Construction Junction webpage located at the address on the screen. The agenda for the June presentation will begin with updates on which projects are going to the next two Board of Trustees meetings. We will then have an update on the various summer road and parking lot projects, with a new project presentation on the Steam Vault 215 repairs at Wells Hall. And finally, updates on current ongoing projects. Beginning with the June BOT meeting, the projects going to the board will include, for Step 2, authorization to proceed, STEM facility construction, power plant distribution bus reliability and expansion, and power plant coal hopper demolition. And for Step 3, bid and contract award, campus water system improvements. Moving on to the September BOT meeting, the projects going to the board will include, for Step 2, authorization to proceed, Abrams Planetarium addition, Biochemistry PCB transformer and electrical equipment upgrade, and construction of a building to house the new reciprocating internal combustion engine at the power plant. We began the June presentation with an update on the various road and parking lot projects. Here you see a map detailing the road milling and repaving projects that will occur from May through July. A graphic showing the parking areas that will be restriped during the period from May 29th through August 3rd, areas that will be restriped between May 29th and June 8th, from June 11th through June 22nd, and the area scheduled for restriping during the period from June 25th through July 6th. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the summer repaving or lot restriping projects, contact the project manager, Matt Fehrenbach. Next, we have information on the planned steam vault repairs at Wells Hall. Wells Hall is located in the Central Academic District. This project is scheduled to begin on June 13, with expected completion by August 14th. Impacts to the campus community will include pedestrian detours around the construction site and temporary building entrance closures. Here you see the site logistics plan showing pedestrian, entrance, and construction traffic impacts. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Steam Vault 215 repair project, contact the project manager, Scott Gardner. We begin our updates with the Wilson Road Extension project. This project is located in the Eastern Residential District. Accomplishments during the month of May included the reopening of a portion of the new parking lot at Westfee Hall and the commencement of work on the north-south section of Wilson Road, which will become Conrad Road. Impacts expected during the month of June will include the closure of Wilson Road between the Wharton Center parking ramp and Shaw Lane until mid-August, and the continuation of various pedestrian and vehicular detours through mid-November. Note, beginning in mid-August, vehicular access to Fee Hall will change direction. Here you see the construction phasing plan for the period from May 19 through June 19, highlighting areas affected by construction as well as posted detours, and the phasing plan for the period from June 20th through July 5th. Here you see a shot of the entrance at Westfee Hall, the new Westfee Hall parking area, storm sewer work near Conrad Hall, the Conrad Hall Loop area, and a couple of shots of the construction zone from the Wharton parking ramp. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Wilson Road project, contact the project manager, Dave Wilbur. Next is an update on the Interdisciplinary Science and Technology building construction project. This project is located in the South Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included continuation of metal siding installation, commencement of elevator installation, commencement of exterior masonry, and installation of permanent power to the building. Impacts to the campus community during June will include continued heavy construction traffic on Service Road and potential traffic impacts while Consumers Energy installs gas service from Hagedorn Road. Here you see shots of metal siding installation in progress. Tiling of the bathroom areas, installation of drywall, ductwork insulation and wiring installation in progress, and the beginning of exterior masonry construction. For those of you who would like to follow the progress of construction on this project, please check out the live webcam site at the address on the screen. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the ISTech facility project, contact the project representative, Carol Kuhl. Next, we have an update on the Business College Complex addition. The Business College Complex is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included continuation of building envelope construction, completion of concrete floor pouring, and the continuation of rough-in installation on the first floor. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the continued closure of sidewalks traveling north and south between Shaw Hall and the Business College Complex, and the closure of the sidewalk north of Shaw Lane throughout summer. Here is a shot of the main entrance as viewed from Shaw Lane, the west elevation from the Red Cedar River, the north elevation, and the connector corridor to the existing North Business College. Here you see the site logistics plan showing the areas of construction and pedestrian and traffic impacts. For those of you who would like to follow the progress of construction on this project, please check out the live webcam site at the address on the screen. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Business College Complex Addition project, contact the project manager, Tony Rhodes. Next is an update on the FRIB, HRS, and Isotope Harvesting Experimental Vault project. The FRIB is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included completion of the existing building demolition, 1/4 of concrete slab removal, and completion of primary utility rerouting. There are no additional impacts expected in June. Here is a view of the work site after demolition of the former structure. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the FRIB HRS project, contact the project manager, Todd Elkin. Next is an update on the FRIB Cryogenic Assembly Building project. The FRIB is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included completion of underground utility relocation, commencement of caisson drilling, and completion of the new pedestrian walkway between the FRIB and Wharton Center. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the accessibility of the new walkway between the FRIB and Wharton Center. Here are shots of the rerouting of utilities in progress, and the installation of the caissons to prepare for foundation work. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns regarding the FRIB Cryogenic Assembly Building project, contact the project manager, Jessica Kolb. Next is an update on the Cook Hall renovation project. Cook Hall is located in the North Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included 98% completion of demolition work, finishing of plumbing and electrical work in the main building, commencement of paint stripping on the second floor, and 80% completion of attic reinforcement. Impacts to the campus community during June will include continuation of pedestrian detours and site inaccessibility. Here you see a shot of construction site fencing in place, the basement area post-demolition, stud wall installation in the main building, and excavation work for the new addition. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Cook Hall project, contact the project manager, Amr Abdelazim. Next is an update on the Jenison Field House renovation project. Jenison Field House is located in the Athletic and Recreation District. Accomplishments during the month of May included completion of third-floor steel stud framing, continuation of first and third-floor mechanical and electrical rough-in installation, and the beginning of second-floor steel stud installation. Impacts to the campus community during June will include limited access in the north half of the facility with alternate routes posted, and impacts to the lower-level locker room access during first-floor mechanical and electrical rough-ins. Here are some shots of the new steel stud installation. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Jenison Field House project, contact the project manager, Matt Postma. Next is an update on the IM West renovation project. IM West is located in the Athletic and Recreation District. Accomplishments during the month of May included abatement of the existing turf grass flooring, continued installation of new egress doors, construction of a new mechanical room, installation of new HVAC systems, fire sprinkler systems, and LED lighting, and painting of the ceiling. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the temporary move of the barrier-free entrance to the northeast entrance. Here is a shot of the facility prior to the start of construction. The facility after removal of the turf grass flooring, the installation of various HVAC, fire suppression, and lighting systems, and the installation of the new exterior egress doors. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the IM West project, contact the project manager, Scott Gardner. Next, we have an update on the alterations to Demonstration Hall. Demonstration Hall is located in the Athletic and Recreation District. Accomplishments during the month of May included demolition of the arena floor, dasherboard system, netting, bathroom fixtures, and partitions, abatement of ceiling tiles in the hallway, installation of a new level concrete floor, and continued work on new lighting installation and abatement of mechanical systems. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the inavailability of 5 to 8 parking spaces south of the facility. Here is a view of the facility prior to construction, the new level concrete floor and lighting installation, and bathroom demolition and hallway ceiling abatement. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Demonstration Hall project, contact the project manager, Scott Gardner. Next, we have an update on the IM East renovation project. IM East is located in the Eastern Residential District. Accomplishments during the month of May included abatement of the running track and installation of flooring protection over the gym floor, continued demolition of the block wall between the gyms, and removal of the running track interior wall. Impacts to the campus community during June will include temporary pedestrian hallway detour to half of the racquetball and other courts, and detour of the pedestrian pathway between IM Sports East and the Wharton Center. Here is a shot of the protective flooring installation and commencement of track wall demolition. Demolition of the block wall separating the 2 gym areas, and the track surface, post-abatement and grinding. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the IM East project, contact the project manager, Scott Gardner. Next, we have an update on the Food Science Fruit and Vegetable Lab renovation project. Food Science is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included completion of second-floor storage with relocation of food processing equipment, evaluation for temporary HVAC solutions for classroom 223, the relocation of autoclaves to make room for the new mechanical shaft, receipt of cabinets for the new analytical lab, commencement of asbestos abatement, and continued demolition on the 3rd floor, which should wrap up in mid-June. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the inaccessibility of 4 parking spaces in Lot 43 through August 17, the periodic closure of 7 parking spaces to accommodate crane lifts, and an estimated 3-hour shutdown of the north side fume hood exhaust system during ductwork rerouting. Here is a shot of the second-floor storage area with the new 6-foot doors installed, the relocated autoclaves, the temporary ductwork to room 223, demolition in the 3rd floor mechanical room, and preparation for asbestos abatement on the 1st floor. If you have comments, questions, or concerns about the Food Science Fruit and Vegetable Lab renovation project, contact the project manager, Brian Anderson. Next, we have an update on the Communication Arts and Sciences roof replacement project. ComArts is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included the commencement of tear-off and debris removal. Impacts to the campus community during June will include expected odors from the tar kettles, which should be minimized with the installation of carbon filters on the building air intake. Here is a shot of roofing tear-off in progress on the east penthouse, the setup area for the tar kettles, and the debris chute installed on the south side of the building. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the ComArts roofing project, contact the project manager, Brandon Charlin. Next, we have an update on the 3rd phase of the Hubbard Hall masonry repair and window replacement project. Hubbard Hall is located in the Eastern Residential District. Accomplishments during the month of May included the installation of suspended scaffoldings and hoists, and the commencement of building envelope repair and window removal. Impacts to the campus community during June will include the inaccessibility of the affected building wing throughout construction. Here you see a shot of the scaffolding and hoist installed and the commencement of window and brick removal, and the removal of bricks to prepare for lintel replacements. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Hubbard Hall project, contact the project manager, Carol Kuhl. Next, we have an update on the Wharton Center seating replacement project. Wharton Center is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included the demolition of seats, removal of existing handrails, and carpet removal in the Pasant Theater. Impacts to the campus community during June will include odors from epoxy flooring renovation in the Pasant Theater, which should be minimized with increased ventilation and circulation measures in place. Here is a shot of the commencement of seating replacement and a before and after shot of the theater area after seat, railing, and carpet removal. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Wharton Center seating project, contact the project manager, Jessica Kolb. Lastly, we have an update on the Biochemistry window replacement project. Biochemistry is located in the Central Academic District. Accomplishments during the month of May included the arrival of replacement window units and the completion of staging area preparation. Impacts to the campus community during June will include window replacement beginning on the north first floor and progressing to the south side, floor by floor, top to bottom, with the inaccessibility of interior spaces as window replacement progress. However, the construction schedule is being fully coordinated with occupants to minimize disruptions. The loading dock will remain open during construction, but parking on the south side will be impacted during the south side phase. Here you see a view of barriers and tree protection in place, the commencement of abatement operations, and the arrival of replacement window units. If you have comments, questions, or concerns regarding the Biochemistry window replacement project, contact the project manager, Kristen Pennock. This concludes the June Construction Junction presentation. We encourage you to visit the Infrastructure Planning and Facilities website at www.ipf.msu.edu. There you'll find information on construction and maintenance alerts, detour information, construction junction information, project, and contact information. There are also a number of other IPF resources available, including listservs that you can subscribe to keep up to date with various IPF projects and events. Stay connected with IPF via social media. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, watch our videos on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. Construction Junction presentations will be made available on the CJ website around the 7th of each month. We thank you for taking the time to check us out, and we hope you'll visit again.